Is it possible for the general public to search USPTO records by the name of a law firm? On a few of the systems, I see attorney name as an operator AT name. Right, this is the patent filing at the USPTO search. But they can't find anything that lets me search by the law firm name. Yeah, you can do that. And what I'm familiar with is at the USPTO, the Patent Center. So I can share my screen here and show you how that's done. So USPTO Patent Center. And you click on the home. And they just redid this about a year ago. And so from the Patent Center, you go over to Patents on the drop-down, over to Search with Patent Public Search, and just do a basic search. And this is the same database that I think that they're speaking about on this question. So if I want to go look and find out, for example, how many recent patents that have been issued by Bold IP, that's our firm, you just go to this drop-down and go to Attorney Agent /firm. And it's a little odd how they set this up. So they only do one-word entries. So you have to put in Attorney Agent Bold and Attorney Agent Firm IP for intellectual property and hit search. It looks like they're having some network issues. Classic. Okay, well, so they're not able to pull that up right now. But once you do that, you'll be able to search and find the results using their system. Okay, looks like they're starting to work here. Nice. So these are some of our patents here. Phishing lure, systems of a method for verifying user identification, shoe insert, zipper charms. So these are some of the recent patents that have issued in the past couple months, right? You got the date over here and the inventor name, the title of the invention. And from this screen too, you can actually see the filing. You do a quick preview, which I think is unique. The site's gotten a lot better, and you can just download the whole PDF right here too.